All right, fellas, welcome to another video with the weekly trade setups for the week of February 9th, 2025. We're back again, strong this week. Last week we had one trade only, which was on CAD JPY. So let's analyze the pairs for this week, the top pairs for the week, and see if we have any potential trade setups lining up. Starting off with GBP NZD, we are at a supreme level of resistance, support. Okay, resistance, support, and this would potentially act as support. Like if it's nice enough, it should act as support. So we're looking for going longs from here, taking longs from here, um, based on the price action on the lower time frames that we'll see. If the lower time frames are lining up with the higher time frames, then we are going to take a trade long from here. So as of now, weekly is bullish, daily is bullish. We're all in a bullish trend. Even the 4 hour right now is potentially, not potentially, it is actually bullish, right? Look at that. So all the time frames are in sync. We're just waiting on the right moment, the right trading session. As you guys know, I do not trade the Asian sessions or the Sydney session, Tokyo session, whatever. I only trade London and New York sessions. That's it. Pre-London, pre-New York, London and New York. That's it. So we have to wait for the price to be at the right place in the right trading session. And if it is, we're going to take a trade long from here. This is definitely a very high quality trading setup. Let's see how it moves this coming week. So that's GBP and ZD, Euro CHF, as we have done the analysis on this one. The daily time frame, as you guys can see, was bullish initially, but then it shifted structure, making lower highs and lower lows. Now at this point, the price is currently at a potential daily lower high to then make the daily lower low. So as you guys can see, weekly is still bullish. Weekly, we're still bullish. Daily, we have gone bearish. So now on um, the 4 hour is still kind of bullish, we can say, giving this a benefit of doubt. Yeah, it's still bullish, but it's not yet fully bullish, I would say. The 4 hour is still kind of, let's say bearish for now, right? It's not bullish. I wouldn't call it bullish just yet. Just because it shifted structure here doesn't mean it's going to keep going up like that. Not necessarily, right? It may have shifted structure only to create another lower high at this point to then push down and create another lower low, right? Breaking this lower low here. So as of now, I would still consider the 4 hour to be bearish, and all we're waiting on now is literally, if we go to the lower time frames, let's see how well they are in sync with the higher time frames. So, honestly, I'm really liking what I'm seeing here. So I'd be waiting for the price to show me some more action during pre-London session tonight. Tonight is February 9th, 2025. So I'm just gonna wait on the price action to unfold a little bit more to see what to see if we can get an entry on this trade today. So I'll let you guys know. If you guys have not subscribed to my Telegram group yet, please do subscribe to the channel because I share all of these trade signals with exact entries, stop losses, and profit targets exactly as I take them, right? So you can get benefit of, take benefit of the free trade signals in my Telegram group and hit the exact entries and stop losses and profit targets. Okay. So I'll let you guys know in my group if I do go ahead and take this trade. As of now, I'm waiting on the price to unfold a little bit more, but let's see how it goes. Next one is silver. Okay, yeah. So on silver is we're gonna be taking a counter trend trade. I don't think I wrote it here, but on silver we are bullish on the weekly. As we can see, we're bullish on the weekly, literally higher high. This is all market structure, right? So we're technically still bullish on the weekly. As you guys can see, we're bullish on the daily. This is higher high. What I'm what I'm predicting here is, based on my analysis, that the price is gonna drop down all the way to this area of interest back again, and this is where we'd be looking to take a trade long. But for now, since the price is currently at a strong level of resistance, as you guys can see, even in the past, the price has rejected this round psychological level of 32,000, 32,000, right? Rejection here, right? Rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And I'm predicting that the price would once again show the same rejection here, only to move down to our anticipated area of interest to then continue to the upside. So we're looking for now, we're looking to take a counter trend trade since we are at such a great level of resistance. And we can also see how the 4 hour has already shifted structure going bearish now. So all I'll be looking at now, it would be all I'll be looking at now would be a retest of this area of interest and then sell to the downside. Only if I get the right entry signal. Okay. So I'll still have to analyze this a little bit and see if it is even worth taking this trade. But if it gives me, clear moves with clear price action and entry signal, I wouldn't mind taking this counter trend trade, which would potentially can give us a risk to reward of 1 is to 3.5 potentially, right? That's just a potential thing for now. So stay tuned on this trade as well. I will let you guys know if I take this trade or not. Moving on to Euro AUD, as I have marked on my screen. Weekly is bullish. Daily has just gone bearish. As you guys can see, daily was making higher highs and higher lows. This is where daily shifted structure, breaking this lower low, this higher low, this higher low right here. And now all we are waiting on is for the price to retrace to this round psychological or this area of interest around the round psychological 165, 500 to then reject and continue to the downside. So that's Euro AUD. GBP USD, I'm not really taking a trade on this just as of yet. I'm not looking to take a trade while the price is still in this area of, let's call it consolidation, whatever, right? So as long as the price is still moving in this area, is still within this area of consolidation, I'm not looking to take a trade on this. Yes, if the price breaks above this, then we will look at taking longs once the price comes down and retests these structure points, the round psychological 125,000 and this area of interest potentially, right? Or we'd be looking to sell if the price breaks below this area of or zone of consolidation and retests the round psychological 124,000, the area of interest here, and these potential daily structure points, right? So as of now, no trades, no anticipation on GBP USD. We're not here to predict, we're only here to react. So let's see if the price goes this way or the price continues this way, right? So let's see what happens. The last is US oil. I'm not really ready to take a trade on this as well yet. US oil has been kind of confusing in the past couple of weeks, honestly. As you guys can see, the weekly time frame is still bullish. The daily is still bullish. But as you guys can see, in the past couple of weeks or a few weeks, the price has just been dropping significantly and continuously all the way even up till today, right? So since the overall trend is bullish, I don't want to take a low quality counter trend trade looking for a resistance from this point and going down. I can, but I don't want to. I mean, it's up to you guys if you want to go ahead, take the trade or not, but I won't. For this pair, as of now, I'm only looking to go long. But for me to go long on this pair, it'll have to go up, push, the price has to push up and break this previous daily structure point, right? So for me to take the trade, the daily candle has to push up, close above this previous daily structure point, and then I'll be looking to take a trade long once the price retraces back to the area of interest, retests this round psychological 72,000, and retests the daily EMA to then go to the upside, right? So I'm not really looking to take a trade on this this week, most probably, but we'll see how it goes. But anyhow, these are the top pairs for the week. Stay tuned, subscribe to my Telegram group if you have not done yet, and stay tuned for my free trade signals if I ever end up taking a trade this week. All right, guys, until then, have a good one. Keep calm and keep trading. Stay safe. Bye bye.